Hello everyone. I hope this time is okay ra mo diha sa inyo and comfortable sa inyong pagtan-aw ani nga video. So, this is Mrs. Antigua for our quarter 4 health. So, our topic for today will be all about planning for a health career. So, good day everyone. So, we will be talking about our quarter 4 health for today. So, listen and take down notes. So let's start with the definition of career. So what is a career? So a career is an occupation or profession that requires special training. So daghan na ta makadungog aning gitawag nato og career or gusto natong occupation in the future or trabaho in the future. So example ani kay gibutang diri it requires special training man. Kaning mga like teaching, nursing, doctor, okay, so things like that. So health careers are designed to familiarize students with the various careers in the medical profession and allied health services. Students will learn skills necessary for their career path, which in this case is in healthcare. This includes working with others, communication skills, legal and ethical responsibilities, cultural considerations in healthcare industry, problem solving, decision making, accepting personal responsibility, and self-management. So, ang atuang buhaton karon is we will not focus on health career, but more on careers nga general. Okay. So, dili lang kita mag-focus sa medical field as what I have told you before sa pagdagsugod nato sa quarter 4. Okay. So, why pursue a career? So, aside from making difference in people's lives, kay makatabang manggita ani, kung nanarbaho na ta, naghatag ng serbisyo ani sa ubang tao, number one is gives us good salary, natay nindot nga sweldo, job security. So, natay permanente nga trabaho, secured ta sa atong trabaho. And then, it also do work that interest you, meaning maghatag ni nato og trabaho nga malipay ta or malingaw ta or something nga trabaho nga ganahan nato. Next, find a health career that fits your educational plans. Meaning, kini siya pud is kanang bagay sa atuang personal ba nga mga plano ba. A clear path to advancement, makatabang nato para mulambo ta, not only financially but personally, and work with people or not. So meaning we have the option to to work with people, meaning like natay serbisyon nga tao or pwede pud ta dili mo serbisyo og tao like online lang ta naalantay himuon dayon ang ubang tao na maoy muhatag ani nga naghimo nato nga serbisyo ngadto sa ubang tao. So, inana ra. So, these are the things or mga rason nga nung we need to pursue a career. Okay? So, what are the components and steps in making a health career plan? So, dili ginamuwa nga planuhon pud ni nato og unsaon nato paghimo or sa ato ang career, pagkabot or pag-pursue sa ato ang career. So first step is self-assessment. Discover your personal strengths through self-assessment, like values, interests, personality, and testing skills. If you could still remember in our CGP or career guidance program, natay activity ang gitawag nato katong sa paper bag, no? Katong atong gipapilit sa gawa sa paper bag unsa atong mga likes, mga dislikes or gitawag nato og nag self-discovery ta. So it's very important to know yourself because if you don't know yourself, of course, this will kay bog unsay best fit nga career nimo, di ba? Okay. So self-assessment is very important. So the second step in health career planning is career exploration. Kahibaw naman tano pag self-assessment kung unsay ato ang mga likes, dislikes, strengths, and weaknesses. Karon kay kahibaw nagtag unsay atong gusto, mag-explore tag career nga angayan nato. So you can explore different careers and work environments through career fairs, online research, meetings, internships, alumni connections, and professional resources. So muna ni siya kitog nag-research na ta og unsay mga career nga angayan nato. Munang natay gitawag og career fair or kanang mga lain-lain nga school nga ning visit diri sa tong school katong nag career talk sila usually ang mga grade 12 ani maoy hatagan. Katong atong gihimo last Friday nga nagkuanta sa peso. Okay, so those are examples of career exploration activities. Another is internships. So kung moabot mo grade 12, natay gitawag og mag I forgot the term. Tong my God, I forgot. Kaning gitawag nato og work immersion. So usa pod siya ka pamaagi para kamo students namoy idea unsay mga trabaho aning mga respective nga mga kumpanyaha kini. Okay, so that's the purpose of internships and alumni connections and professional resources. Okay, so again, the second step is career exploration. The third step is decision making. So after self-assessment, dahil nagka-exploration na ka, na nakay idea, ay, ngayon magmaestra na lang daay ko, or mag-engineering ko, or mag-HM ko, kay ganahan mo kung maadtog laing lugar, ganahan ko ma-entertain og mga tao. So, step 3 is decision making na dayon. So before you decide on taking a career that works for you can evaluate and narrow down your options through listing the pros and cons, comparing your personal strengths and interests, and deciding which career fulfills both current and future goals. So there is a decision making apart. Maglista ka sa positive and negative. Mag-evaluate ka. Nakalista na kag ay kani ganahan ko ni nga mga kurso. Simo rin siyang tagsa-tagsaon. Kung kini akong kuhaon, unsa man kaha? O, dakog sweldo or stressful ba kaha? So those are the examples of pros and cons. And then, ibo din siya i-compare and then mag-decide din ka which career fulfills both current and future goals. So dapat pod nag-decide nato dili kay pang present ra. Dapat pod apelo nato ang pang future. So kaning trabaho aba maka-compensate biya ni sa ako ang lifestyle puhon ganahan ko makabalay, makasakyanan or magminyo dapat makabuhi ba kani sa akong pamilya. So things like that, no? Okay, so i-appeal na sa inyong decision making nga part nga planning. So the last or the fourth one, so after decision making, plan of action na dayon. Planuhon na dayon og unsay angay buhaton. Plan achievable goals and develop strategies to reach your goals. Organize your goals into smaller steps. Identify actions for each step. Utilize helpful people and resources. Review and adapt your plan regularly. So, kaning plan of action dapat smart ni kaning gitawag na to og SMART. So, it's spelling sa SMART. SMART. It should be specific. Dapat klaro ang imuhang pagplano. Dili kay mga mularga ko. Unsa man imong buhaton before ka mularga. So, dapat specify na nimo mo na specific. It should also be measurable. So, makita nato unsay mga angay nga buhaton, specific nga mga buhaton, attainable, realistic, time-bounded, and time-bounded. So, kana siya. Muna ang meaning sa SMART. So, kung magplano kita, dapat klaro o specific. Unsay buhaton nato after ani, then after ani, unsa na say sunod natong buhaton. Kanang klaro siya nga plano ba. Dili kay plano-plano lang. Para sa nang, okay, mukaon ko glami. So, di ba, wa siya klaro. So, dili siya specific. Okay, dapat maingon ta nga, mukaon ko og spaghetti o burger sa Jollibee. So, that is an example of specific plan. Okay? Sige. So, next activity ninyo is, ang akong ipahimo ninyo is, ah, kani health career planning. So, inyong specify what are you going to do. So, sa next slide, makita na nato. So, ang inyong output for this week is you're going to create a personal career development plan. Okay, help yourself get better at anything that you were planning to discuss for some time, but never happened. Focus on things you like to do and write it down. So, muna atong buhaton. So, tagsa-tagsaon ninyo og tubag. What is my goal? Unsa may goal nimo? You want to become an engineer. Okay, butang diha, I want to be a civil engineer. Or my goal is to become a civil engineer. Why do I want to do it? Unsay rason nimo nganong ganahan ka mag civil engineer? Next, when will I achieve it? Kanus-a man nimo kanang i-achieve or idayon or trabahoon? Next, how will I do it exactly? Unsaon nimo pagkabot kani nga goal nimo? Next, what will count as a success? Unsay imuhang metrics nga makaingon ka nga ay success ang ako ang plano? Kana. Then what do I need to remember? Unsay imong angay hinumduman sa imuhang goal? Every time baron nga murag nawa ka sa path padung sa imong goal. So unsa may dapat nimong isud sa imong hunahuna para ma-focus ka sa imong goal. Next sa ubos atong dili na din mahitabo si self exploration. Okay? So what am I good at? Asa ka dapit maayo? What I would like to be better at? Asa ka ganahan nga ma-improve imong kaugalingon? Next, what I would like to know more about, unsay imong ganahan nga mas makatunan pa in relation to the goal that you want? And what kind of skills would I like to have? Unsa nga skills ang ganahan nimo nga maangko nimo nga i-train nimo para sa imong kaugalingon? Okay? So you're going to write this down in a long bond paper. So make it neat, pagwapaha. So you're going to submit it on Wednesday. Okay? So that would be all for this week or for this day. So goodbye, everyone.